150 pound capacity cart. Now I'm going to show you how it works. It's very easy. Just basically, you know, kick it open like that, and there you go. You have a sturdy cart that will move a lot of stuff around. It'll carry a lot of weight around. And of course, you pull on this handle, and then you can adapt. You can make it taller. I usually have these bungees so that I can, you know, put it around my piano, which is what I use to carry this. It's a weighted piano, and I can count on this to always work. The wheels are very sturdy, and I can count on this not breaking like wheels of other carts that are sometimes not as well made as this one. This is, the standard of this is for it to take 150 pounds and move it effortlessly. So check it out, and it's 100% recommended.